How many ways can a basketball team of 5 players be chosen from 8 players? Alright, first I'm going to show you just how to think through it, and then I'll show you actually something on the calculator that will get you the same answer. So let's think about it. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different spots on this team. Now that first spot is going to be filled by somebody. There are 8 different people total, so there are 8 different options for that first spot. Now, after that first spot is gone, there's only 7 people left. So the second spot is going to have to be filled by one of 7 different people. So you've got 8 different options here, leading to 7 different options for this spot. Now, same idea, keep going. If you've used 2 people already, there's only 6 people left that can be chosen for the third spot on the team. So those 6 different options give you 6 people possible for the third spot. And we can keep going. That means 3 have chosen, there's 5 left for this, and 4 left for the last spot. Okay, that leaves 3 people out altogether. So now that we know how many options we have at each spot, we can multiply those together to find out how many different ways you can create a team. And obviously we can't just write down every single possible option, because that number is 6,720. That's way too many to try to make a list of everything. It's just not, you're not going to happen. It's not going to happen. So you've got to be able to have a mathematical way to do this, because you're never going to be able to list that many options, especially not in the time you're going to be given here. Now, as far as the calculator is concerned, this is called a permutation because it's the order of options that is important. And a permutation is done on a calculator. If you hit the math button, or it can be done, obviously we just did it by hand, but it can be done on a calculator. You come over here to math, and then you hit the PRB, which is probability. This NPR here is a permutation, and CR would be a combination. So we've got a permutation here, and N stands for the number of options we have, and R stands for how many we're going to have of those. So 8 total, we want the 5. And that leads me to that 6,720.